So you have been taking Cialis or its generic Tadalafil, but it's not giving you the results you were hoping for. That can be really frustrating. And trust me, you are not the only one feeling this way. I hear this all the time from men dealing with the same issue. In today's video, I am going to break down why Cialis might not be working as well as you expected, what you can do to fix that, and how to make sure you are getting the best results possible from your treatment. Welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Inadequate stimulation. Now, I know that might sound obvious, but stick with me for a second. Cialis does not cause an erection on its own. It simply helps your blood vessels relax and open up when you are already aroused. In other words, you still need to feel mentally and physically turned on for it to work. So if you are distracted, anxious, or just not in the mood, there's not much the medication can do. Think of it like turning up the volume on a speaker that is not playing any music. No matter how loud you go, you still will not hear anything. So what can help? Well, slow things down. Focus on connection, mental engagement, and being present with your partner. If you are dealing with relationship stress or psychological barriers, it may be worth talking to a therapist. Remember, arousal starts in the brain. Cialis just helps your body follow through. Number 2. You are taking the wrong dosage. This is another reason Cialis may not work. The dose could be too low for your body. It comes in different strengths. There's the 2.5 to 5 milligrams daily dose and the 10 or 20 milligrams as needed dose. Now, some people do great on just 5 milligrams a day. Others may need 10 or even 20 milligrams taken as needed. So if you are taking a low dose and not seeing results after a week or two, it's a good idea to speak with your doctor. They can help adjust your dose safely and find what works best for you. Also keep in mind that if you are using the daily low-dose version of Cialis or Tadalafil, it can take a few days to build up in your system before you notice any change. So a little patience goes a long way. Number 3. Bad timing. Cialis is well known for its long-lasting effects, sometimes up to 36 hours, but that does not mean it works the moment you take it. It usually takes about 30 minutes to 2 hours to reach its full effect. So if you are taking it too close to the moment, or even worse, during intimacy, you may be disappointed. Your body needs a little time to absorb the medication and get it working in your system. That's why it's best to take Cialis at least 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to be intimate. And since the effects last longer than other ED meds, you do not have to worry about being rushed. Think of Cialis less like hitting a magic button and more like setting the stage, giving yourself time to relax and let things happen naturally. Number 4. Food or alcohol interference. This is another factor that often gets overlooked. Are you taking your Cialis after a large high-fat meal, or maybe alongside a few drinks? Well, that could be part of the problem. Heavy meals, especially high-fat ones, can slow down absorption. And when it comes to alcohol, sure, a drink might help you feel relaxed. But drinking too much can have the opposite effect. Alcohol can lower testosterone levels, decrease blood flow, and reduce bedroom performance, even if you have taken Cialis. For the best results, take Cialis on an empty stomach or after a light meal and limit your alcohol intake. You want your body in the best possible state to respond, not slowed down by food or alcohol. Number 5. Other health problems. This one's huge and often a lot of people ignore it. Sometimes Cialis is not the problem, it's your body. Erectile dysfunction is often a symptom of a larger issue. Conditions like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, obesity, smoking, and low testosterone can all play a major role. These issues affect blood flow, nerve signaling, and hormone levels, all of which are critical for sexual function. So if any of these conditions are uncontrolled or worsening, no amount of Cialis can completely fix the problem. That's why it's so important to make sure you treat the root cause. When you improve your blood sugar, blood pressure, testosterone levels, or stop smoking, medications like Cialis can actually work much better, and you will feel better overall. Number 6. Drug interactions. This is something you may not have thought about. However, certain medications and supplements can actually speed up how your body breaks down Cialis, making your dose far less effective. For example, anti-seizure medications like carbamazepine or phenytoin, rifampin, an antibiotic used for tuberculosis, and even natural supplements like St. John's wort. These can all ramp up liver enzymes that clear tadalafil from your system too quickly, meaning your Cialis may be gone before it gets a chance to work. So, always tell your doctor or pharmacist everything you are taking, including supplements and over-the-counter meds. What seems harmless may be working against you. Number 7. Psychological factors. Stress, anxiety, depression, performance pressure, or even relationship issues can all lead to erectile dysfunction, and sometimes they can make medications like Cialis less effective, even when your body is perfectly capable. And this is really common. In fact, it's one of the biggest hidden causes of ED, especially in younger men. If you find yourself worrying about whether it will work, that anxiety alone can get in the way. You are already in your head, and that mental pressure can block your body's natural response. The truth is, Cialis can help with the physical side, but it cannot override your thoughts or emotions. That's why addressing the mental and emotional side is so important. Therapy, stress management, or simply having an honest conversation with your partner can make a world of difference. At the end of the day, your brain is your most powerful sex organ, so don't overlook it. Number 8. Unhealthy lifestyle. Your daily habits, including what you eat, how you move, and how you sleep, all impact your sexual health. Smoking, being overweight, drinking too much, poor diet, and lack of exercise, all of these hurt blood flow, which is key for erections. If your blood vessels are clogged or inflamed, Cialis may not be able to help much. The good news is even small changes can have a big impact. Walking 30 minutes a day, quitting smoking, and eating more whole foods. These are all things that improve both your health and your bedroom performance. And there you have it. Remember, knowledge is power, and you have the power to make informed choices for your health. Thank you for watching.